today's video, we're going to check out counters and mix it up. Counters are powerful ways that you can keep track of how many times something has happened in your channel, and there's a lot of different ways to use them. You can add a counter by a chat command. You can add a counter by to count up how much text or how many times a specific kind of text, like a specific phrase, appears in your chat. There's so many different ways. It's so powerful. One of the first things you want to do is you want to actually head into the settings, the global settings, because that's where we're going to find, and I'm sorry that keeps popping up. That is actually, I think I can turn that off, but we'll worry about that later. We're going to go into the global settings, and we're going to go ahead and come down here to the counter setting. So the easiest way to create a counter is here. You can also create a counter just by using the counter action, but if you would like to establish them here before you go into your commands, that's the easiest way to, and that's one of the ways to do it. Let's go ahead and do, since a lot of streamers play video games, death counters happen quite often. So we're going to go ahead and create a counter called deaths, and we're going to add it. Now, there's a couple of things you want to look at. This is the first, or the amount that it starts with, 0. Most people haven't died multiple times before they start a video game, but your mileage may vary. Save to file. What this means is that this will keep your counter saved on your computer's hard drive. So if your MixItUp crashes, it won't lose the counter. Reset on load, it kind of does the opposite. So every time you open MixItUp, this counter gets zeroed. You can also create commands to do that. The sky's the limit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and keep save to file, because a death counter would usually be multiple streams in the making. And we're going to go ahead and go into commands. We've got our shout out command that we made in one of our earlier videos. This one's going to be death. And this one's going to be counters. That's going to go in the counters group. Now our chat triggers is, this one's going to be death. Actually, we'll just do deaths. We'll do deaths. Okay. Now, there's a very simple way. So we'll do death for now, and I'll show you how to do that one. Action is going to be counter. Create an update. Now, you see these two switches. They're the same as what we saw earlier. This one's going to be deaths. All of your counters will be listed here. If it's not listed here, you can create it dynamically by typing here. But we're going to go ahead and use deaths. Now, update, that's how you add or subtract from a counter. There's also reset, zeroes it out, and set, which takes the number that would be arg1 text. It could also be target. And you would basically, arg1 text is if you have the exclamation point deaths, anything that comes right after that, so space, and then a word or a number, that's argument 1. You can use arguments to pick out other bits of text after your command. So argument 1 text, so if I did exclamation point death, and then 0, if my counter action was set like this, it would set my deaths as 0. If I did exclamation point death and then did 25, my death counter would now be 25. Now, there's a lot of different things that you can do with counter commands. One of the things that I like to do is conditionals. Covered in a different video, but my conditionals would usually be so you could do exclamation point death and then space and then plus, and you could use arg1 text as the conditional plus. And we'll cover this in another video. We'll use the death counter all over again. You could do plus or minus in your conditional, and you could have it do things like that. You could use equals as well if you need to be able to set it, or exclamation point death space 0 would reset it. You could do all sorts of things like that. So let's go ahead and we're going to save it as a basic death counter. So what that means is that your action would be update, and your amount would usually be 1. So this is our death counter. We will cover advanced counters, and we'll revisit the death counter when we cover conditionals. We will be doing that very soon.